I just wanted to point something out, well, two things have happened so far. The first is that when you're booking a, oh, and by the way, we're going back to Miami today. So I wanted to share something with you guys. So when you book your transfer, if you're coming from Venice to the airport, there are two ways of getting here. One is by land and one is by water. If you're coming by land or by water and you coordinate with the front desk, the price of how much that transfer is going to be, just keep in mind that you should ask. Buongiorno. Just keep in mind that you should ask in front of the receptionist, next to the person who's going to be driving you, the amount, and you want to verify that it's correct. Why? They told us that coming from the hotel here was going to be 80 euros and they charged us 130, and the guy was like, no, it's 130, it's 130. Okay. You know, it's fine, I get it, but there's a lot of misinformation because a lot of people might have the exact amount of money to pay for that and then they tell them something else. So I didn't like that. We're trying to find Air France and we're lost. So we have to take a flight from Venice to Paris, and because there are no direct flights from MIA. That's how you know I don't have enough sleep. There are no direct flights from Venice to Miami. So we have to do a transfer. Since we're here really early, they haven't opened the gate yet. So there's a girl who comes and she stands here and then she is the one who opens the gate. But it has to be 2 hours before and we are early. So right after customs, we are making our way to the security check. So we came from all the way back there and then you come here and then, so I believe it's like somewhere over there. Oh no, it's right here. We are heading to the lounge. Excuse me. This is gonna be my breakfast. You guys can see it looks really yummy. Double espresso for Sunday and I. Orange juice. And then this. This looks good. If you guys want to come to this lounge, there were two ways of doing it. The first one is through the Amex card. Remember that I told you guys about that in a previous vlog? Sandy has a platinum card, so with that card you could come inside. And then the other way is we're also flying business. So if you fly business, you also have access to this lounge. So you're telling me about the muffin, right?
I'm not sure what it is.
But it's fresh, right?
It tastes really good.
It's fresh. It probably doesn't have anything artificial. It's really yummy, yeah. So I order myself more because I'm really hungry. And also, this is homemade. They serve this fresh. Amazing. And it's so sweet and oh, it's delicious. So Sandy's gonna eat the chocolate croissant. He's gonna help me. Something that Sandy just pointed out is that here, you guys can't see it, but we're in the back of the lounge. They have a green area, and I'm trying not to fall asleep, but... Hello everyone. We are making our way to the gate where obviously we're gonna be taking the flight from Venice to... my hair's a mess. To France, and it's about 2 hours in the air. So I got myself a little snack. I love apples, especially green apples. They're the best. So let me show you guys the flight. This is where we're sitting. On this flight, we got a puff pastry bun with curd cheese. We also got smoked salmon and a vegetable julienne, and we also got the plain thick yogurt. I put some jam on it. It was divine. I was very impressed with the food because this flight was going to be a little bit under 2 hours. So they did give us a generous amount of food. We just arrived to Paris. We're gonna be here for a couple of hours as we wait for our direct flight from Paris to Florida. But I'm very satisfied with the flight, with the food. It was really yummy. That yogurt was delicious. We're trying to find a lounge, an Air France lounge, because Sandy has the Amex card. You see how many good things that card gets us? And we're able to go into the lounge, and then there you can use the Wi-Fi. There's food. Because we're flying business, we're skipping that entire line. Sandy and I, we have something called Sky Priority, and that helped us because when we flew now with Air France, we were able to skip the line. I really like that they have, well, all airports do. You can find things cheaper here. Ooh, macaroons. You can find them cheaper here than you would do back in the States. So on this side of the terminal, they have the really nice stores, and my hope is, here's the lounge. Salami. Okay. No. I'll get this after. This is dessert. This is what I ordered. I didn't order this. This is what I got. You don't have to order this. Something we just found out. We had access to the lounge because we were flying business. So
Amex and Delta Sky Club cards, and they'll give you access to our account.
we are making our way to the gate. I hope that you guys subscribe so that you can watch this series. I went on a cruise through Italy, Greece, and Croatia. I have a lot of Venice videos coming up. So I hope that you subscribe, and I'll see you soon.